blood clot pressure me in America. Jermaine, me not illegal a blood clot, cause you love talk about you call ice fan people. And you can't call them for me, Jermaine. Remember, you don't ban a blood clot America. But you call ice fan people and lock off people party. You wicked no blood clot.
Michelle, why you bring the Yankee boy them come? I remember you threatening me. But why you bring the Yankee boy them come, Michelle? Let us bring the
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, already know the thing set. We are blessed. You also know the story ain't complete if me not up on the beat. And as you can see, on the screen, yeah, peeps, we have a whole heap to discuss in this video, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. So let us just kick it off with this Yankee Michelle mix-up, because you know the sender say she owes a bag of people some money. Over $100,000. People putting in the comment section waiting about that, because them said when Damian Breed, the hairdresser girl, she took him on a world tour, rewarded him for his actions, and now she's in bankruptcy. And them a class. This sender went on to say she went to Turkey to do you know what with the balance of the money when them come off a world tour. Well, sender said I'm at voice now, so just like and share the video on our social media platforms, and let's hear them.
mega pressure you look a blood clot. Cause remember, you can't do no more about in America. Make me know. I know you got to get reported to the blood clot police. Dirty Michelle, me no own a blood clot body. And you blood clot over people in partner. Compare the people in them blood clot partner, dirty woman. What the blood clot you want with me now? Dirty blood clot, Michelle. What you want with me? Michelle, me never in your partner yet. Me never in your blood clot partner yet. Me can't in your partner. Cause me not going a shoplifting blood clot partner. Me not the shoplifting blood clot partner. So all me reach your partner blood clot story. Remember you blood clot me when your partner story. Remember blood clot you. And me gonna take it here no blood clot. Me gonna show you some no blood clot man nobody in America. Me gonna show you blood clot something. You want pressure, me gonna give you pressure cause you can't do no more about in America, make me know. It's all about him and everybody we are working about the way. We never start an investigation for your local blood clot. We don't want to get technical now this. Ready no blood clot or anything. You bright no blood clot, big dirty blood clot, donkey woman. You bright no blood clot. You bright. You out of the blood clot. Me own nobody. Me owe you. You owe me. You cool the blood clot. Oh, because you owe me, you have to give me my money right away.
Me and go suck your blood clot, mother stinking boy, and come off of my blood clot name. Anybody me want owe me blood clot, and are you owe it on my pocket about me, and me I walk with me head, I no blood clot America. Come in a hold up nobody and stick them up with a blood clot gun. You too blood clot fast, and always in a people business more pressure. You can't blood clot pressure me in America. Jermaine, me not illegal a blood clot, cause you love talk about you call ice fan people, and you can't call them for me, Jermaine. Remember, you don't ban a blood clot America. But you call ice fan people and lock off people party. You wicked no blood clot.
Michelle, why you bring the Yankee boy them come? I remember you threatening me. But why you bring the Yankee boy them come, Michelle? Let us bring the blood clot, Michelle, me glad say your blood clot started. Me, Jeremy, glad say your blood clot started with me. It look like a long time you want to argue me dirty old, run old, fester old blood clot, Michelle. But that's why I say that's how no pressure. Mega pressure, you look blood clot. Cause remember, you can't do no more about in America, make me know. I know you got to get reported to the blood clot police. Dirty Michelle, me no own a blood clot body. And you blood clot over people in partner. Compare the people in them blood clot partner, dirty woman. What the blood clot you want with me now? Dirty blood clot, Michelle. What you want with me? Michelle, me never in your partner yet. Me never in your blood clot partner yet. Me can't in your partner. Cause me not going a shoplifting blood clot partner. Me not the shoplifting blood clot partner. So all me reach your partner blood clot story. Remember you blood clot me when your partner story. Remember blood clot you. And me gonna take it here no blood clot. Me gonna show you some no blood clot man nobody in America. Me gonna show you blood clot something. You want pressure, me gonna give you pressure cause you can't do no more more batty in America, make me know. It's all the batty man, everybody where I walk on the batty with. We never start an investigation for your local blood clot. We don't want to get technical in this. Ready no blood clot, anything. You bright no blood clot, big dirty blood clot, donkey woman. You bright no blood clot. You bright. You out of the blood clot, me own the body. Me owe you owe me. You call the blood clot, oh, because you owe me, you have to give me my money right away.
Jermaine go suck your blood clot, mother stinking boy, and come off from a blood clot name. Anybody me want owe me blood clot, oh, and now you owe it on my pocket about me, and me I walk with me head high in a blood clot America. Come in a hold up nobody and stick them up with a blood clot gun. You too blood clot fast, and always in a people business more pressure. You care blood clot pressure me in America. Jermaine, me not illegal a blood clot, cause you love talk about you call ice fan people. And you can't call them for me, Jermaine. Remember, you don't ban a blood clot America. But you call ice fan people and lock off people party. You wicked no blood clot.
Michelle, why you bring the Yankee boy them come? I remember you threatening me. But why you bring the Yankee boy them come, Michelle? Let us bring the Yankee boy them. You want come. Michelle, why you bring the Yankee boy them? Remember your blood clot, check me dirty mind man, mind man like dog. I tell her, buy house, no buy no. No give man no all and blood clot. When you reach to the floor now, no go like on want get right with blood clot. People no mind man too much. If you stop blood clot, mind man, that's how old people panic and walk on mind man, no blood clot. Go and go first out on the blood clot out on a zero. You can't chat to me a blood clot. You know nothing about me. You don't know nothing about me. You come to my phone and come talk about me. I talk about you. Michelle, me not time for talk about you. A zero girl. Me not time for talk about you. You walk on blood clot old people too much. So when I talk about you, I can't do it now and join the blood clot clique. Don't you old Michelle when you know nothing about me a blood clot. You walk and do people back here, make people sick in the hospital and get locked up your blood clot. Me say watch me on the blood clot. You never know about me. I the right tree a blood clot back up and dirty woman you walk and investigate who attack. We got pay the people them partner money. Dirty woman go pay the people them partner money. Nasty blood clot Yankee Michelle worse out of days in their life. When I big dirty long time when I'm not from the blood clot name. Not no more than one bag of blood clot storytelling. One bag of blood clot storytelling and lie telling on the move on the blood clot. When you not train, nobody not talk about you know. When you not train, me not talk about you cause you not blood clot train. Dirty old Yankee Michelle. Where blood clot walk a man like that. Your house empty the blood clot. Your house empty, you always blood clot empty. A girl if you make only by first to put in a phone blood clot house. Me never beg on yet so me know how you come by man for a go like your blood clot that girl. Big old long time jot down face, big body donkey, insecure, dirty woman. Me say again pressure you look ugly blood clot, you're too enough. You're too much in America, you're too enough. Only for pay the people them partner blood clot money.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, you know, these things are out of my jurisdiction, but they always reach my jurisdiction. So we just put them out. Because, you know, these people is seasoning dancehall and these type of bagger is not new to them, I guess. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's proceed. Alright, people, I have an update on an undocumented crew. It seems like Louis Vuitton Princess, Babat, or Rabbas, I don't know what name the people give her, you see me, has been locked up for the same thing Paparazzi Apple them get locked up for a few months ago. You see me, I said them snatch her up in Virginia. You know what I mean? I wasn't able to verify this story because I don't know, you know, Louis Vuitton real name and them thing there, you know what I mean? But it's from some close sources close to her, so it's true. You see me, I say, I don't know if they're going to connect her to, Paparazzi Apple them thing. I forgot go back and I feed them case to see if them they get catching up Virginia, because, you know, they're trying to hit them with the state RICO. You know what I mean? So this is not a good look because, you know, these people don't have papers. But I don't know what type of charge she got. But when I find out, I will definitely update. You know, Paparazzi Apple them cases keep on getting postponed. You know, they're trying to delay it, you know, to the end so them can get like a slap on the wrist again. You see what I said? But me update on that as well. Anyway, let's proceed to the next updates because, you know, say the people that must say 12 baby daddy get locked up for that, you know, brazen robbery that went down in Western Union yesterday. You see what I said? Them say mother and sister get charged as well because they look like say them not try for take him out to Portland and drive him back, St. Catherine and St. Angie area, you see me? We did a review on that yesterday on my Mixup and Things channel that you see in front of you. So if you haven't subscribed to this, so as well as so I suggest you do so, because I don't miss up on the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. So subscribe and hit that notification bell and press all. Seen, bless.